The smartwatch market has become increasingly saturated with options, making it difficult for brands to truly innovate and differentiate themselves. With so many choices available, it's hard not to wonder if the Fenix 8 Pro will be just another iteration of the same old thing. The Fenix series has always been geared towards outdoor enthusiasts, but with other brands like Suunto and Polar offering similar features, Garmin needs to bring something special to stand out. Big shoes to fill. The Fenix 8 Pro has some big shoes to fill. Many of us have been eagerly waiting for an update to the Fenix series, and with rumors swirling about the 8 Pro, expectations are running high. So, what do we know about this upcoming smartwatch, and what can we expect from it? The truth is, not a lot has been officially confirmed, but there are some compelling rumors that have us excited. Battery life. One of the most significant upgrades is likely to be the battery life. If the rumors are true, we could be looking at a whopping 14 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and up to 30 days in ultra-trace mode. That's a significant upgrade from the Fenix 7 and would put it ahead of many competitors. Rumored features. We'll explore the potential features and improvements of the Fenix 8 Pro, including battery life, extended battery performance for longer usage, GPS enhancements, improved satellite connectivity for more accurate tracking and reduced signal loss. Health monitoring, advanced tools such as blood oxygen level monitoring and advanced sleep tracking. Navigation features, enhanced route planning and improved route suggestions. Augmented reality, potential AR features to revolutionize navigation and exploration. Training metrics. Advanced health monitoring tools are just the beginning. The Fenix 8 Pro is also rumored to include advanced training metrics that could change the way athletes train and track their performance. Features like recovery tracking would allow athletes to better understand their bodies and optimize their training. The potential for advanced training metrics is huge and could be a major selling point for the Fenix 8 Pro. Customization and performance. Imagine being able to track your recovery in real time and adjust your training accordingly. It's a feature that could genuinely improve performance and reduce the risk of injury. And let's not forget the potential for customization. Athletes could tailor their training to specific goals, such as a marathon or triathlon. Conclusion. In summary, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro promises to bring innovative features that cater to outdoor adventurers and athletes alike. If you're as excited as we are about the Fenix 8 Pro, be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments and check out our other videos for more tech insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Touch Trove for the latest tech news and reviews.